Nope. Better use her pen. She the one that's been taking notes. She about to go get hers. Come on. All right, everybody got their notes out? Everybody got their notes out? You got your notes out? Man, pull your phone out then.
How do you write? How do you spell your name?
Matthew Cone, it's on the board. You got yours? Good. All right, guys, so after I left Fifth Third Bank, I took that financial literacy information that I had and applied it to businesses. So I was in the office. If you guys ever walked into the bank, you see the bank tellers and then you see the offices, right? So I was in the office. I was having business owners and I was having guys like you come in and talk to me every day, right? What I got a chance to see was I got all these business owners coming in and they're making all this money, but guess what I'm doing? I'm sitting in the office bored. I'm not making no money and I'm not being free, right? So my goal was to create a business about something that I love to do.